What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech for You. And today, I've got something absolutely insane for all you incredible teachers out there. If you've ever felt buried under paperwork lesson planning or just wished you had a few extra hours in the day, then this video is literally going to change your life. We're talking about AI tools that are not just cool, they're complete game changers. Get ready because your classroom is about to get a serious upgrade, and teaching is going to become so much easier and, believe it or not, even more fun for both you and your students. I'm not kidding, this is next level stuff. I know how hard you all work. Seriously, teachers are a different breed. Superheroes, basically. You're shaping the future, and that's a massive job. But let's be real, it can be exhausting trying to keep up with everything from creating engaging lessons to grading and giving individual attention. That's where these AI powerhouses come in. Imagine slashing your prep time, making learning ridiculously engaging, and actually having more energy for what truly matters: connecting with your students. These tools are designed to be your ultimate sidekick, automating the tedious stuff so you can focus on the magic of teaching. So, buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 absolutely amazing AI tools that every single teacher needs to know about for 2025 and beyond. I've personally checked these out, and trust me, they are mind-blowing. We're going to break down what each one does, how it can revolutionize your workflow, and why you need to start using them like yesterday. This isn't just a list, it's your new toolkit for becoming an even more awesome educator. Let's go! Alright, first up, we have Teachy.ai, and let me tell you, this thing is an absolute beast when it comes to lesson planning. For real, think about all those hours, those late nights you've spent hunched over your computer, trying to craft the perfect lesson plan, find the right resources, and make sure everything aligns with your curriculum. It's a grind, right? Well, Teachy.ai is here to basically obliterate that struggle. This AI is like having a super experienced co-teacher who's available 24/7, ready to generate comprehensive lesson plans, activity ideas, and even assessment materials in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. It's not just about speed, it's about smart, effective planning. So how does this magic work? You basically feed Teachy.ai your topic, grade level, learning objectives, and any specific requirements you have, and bam! It spits out a structured, engaging lesson plan that you can then customize and tweak to perfection. We're talking detailed outlines, suggestions for differentiation, resource links, the whole 9 yards. Imagine needing a fresh idea for teaching fractions or a new approach to a historical event. Teachy.ai can brainstorm with you, offering creative solutions you might not have thought of. It helps you find relevant videos, articles, and interactive content, saving you hours of painful searching online. This tool understands pedagogy. It's not just randomly throwing information together. The impact this can have on your workload and your teaching quality is just phenomenal. You get back so much precious time, which you can then reinvest into interacting with your students, providing personalized feedback, or even just, having a life outside of school. Plus, with consistently well-structured and resource-rich lessons, student engagement is bound to go through the roof. No more scrambling last minute. You'll walk into your classroom feeling prepared, confident, and ready to deliver amazing learning experiences. Teachy.ai isn't just a tool. It's your secret weapon for becoming a lesson planning superhero, seriously. Next on our list is Quizzes.ai. And if you thought quizzes and assessments had to be boring, prepare to have your mind blown. This tool is all about transforming testing from a dreaded chore into an interactive, engaging, and genuinely fun experience for your students. Remember those silent classrooms, the nervous energy during a test? Quizzes.ai flips that script entirely. It uses gamification leaderboards, fun avatars, memes, and timed challenges to make learning feel more like a game than an exam. And the best part? Students actually get excited about it. It's crazy. But Quizzes.ai isn't just about fun and games. It's an incredibly powerful tool for teachers, too. You can create your own quizzes from scratch, import existing ones, or tap into a massive library of pre-made quizzes on virtually any subject and grade level. The AI component helps you generate relevant questions, suggest difficulty levels, and even identify areas where your class might be struggling. As students play, you get real-time data on their performance. We're talking instant feedback, detailed reports on individual student progress, and class-wide understanding of specific concepts. This allows you to pinpoint learning gaps immediately and adjust your teaching accordingly. Imagine being able to see, at a glance, which topics need reteaching, or which students might need a little extra support, all while your class is having a blast. That's the power of Quizzes.ai. It makes formative assessment seamless and incredibly insightful. No more spending hours grading papers late into the night. The platform does a lot of that heavy lifting for you. It fosters a healthy sense of competition and motivates students to learn and improve. Seriously, if you want to boost engagement and get a crystal clear picture of your students' understanding, Quizzes.ai is an absolute must-have. It's a win-win. Okay, teachers, let's talk about ideas. You have a million of them, right? For lesson plans, projects, classroom activities. But sometimes organizing those thoughts and brainstorming new content can feel like untangling a giant knot. That's where Napkin.ai comes in, and trust me, this tool is like a digital brain extension that helps you capture, connect, and cultivate your ideas effortlessly. The name itself is genius, like those brilliant ideas you quickly jot down on a napkin before they disappear. Except this napkin is infinitely smarter and more organized. It's designed for fluid thought and making connections you didn't even see. Napkin.ai isn't your typical linear note-taking app. It's more like a visual thinking space, a personal knowledge garden where your ideas can grow and interlink. You can quickly capture thoughts, snippets from articles, quotes, images, anything that sparks inspiration. Then, the AI magic starts to happen. Napkin.ai intelligently suggests connections between your notes, helping you see patterns, build arguments, and develop your lesson content in a much more organic and efficient way. Imagine planning a complex unit. Napkin.ai can help you map out all the interconnected concepts and resources, ensuring a cohesive and comprehensive learning experience for your students. It's unbelievably intuitive. Think about how much time you spend trying to structure your thoughts or find that one brilliant idea you had last week. With Napkin.ai, it's all there, visually organized and intelligently linked. It's perfect for brainstorming new teaching strategies, developing curriculum maps, or even just keeping track of your professional development notes. It reduces mental clutter and boosts your creative output significantly. This tool will help you turn those fleeting sparks of genius into fully fledged, amazing lesson content faster than ever before. For any teacher who loves to think big and connect ideas, Napkin.ai is a total game changer for clarity and efficiency. All right, creative writing teachers, or any teacher who wants to sprinkle a little more imagination into their classroom, get ready for Twee. This AI tool is an absolute powerhouse for generating creative writing prompts, discussion starters, and all sorts of engaging language-based activities for your students. We all know how challenging it can be to come up with fresh, exciting prompts that genuinely spark students' creativity, especially when you have multiple classes and diverse interests to cater to. Twee takes that pressure right off your shoulders and delivers inspiration on demand. It's like having a muse built right into your computer. Twee uses AI to craft unique and thought-provoking prompts across a huge range of genres and themes. Whether you need a mind-bending sci-fi scenario, a heartwarming character dilemma, a persuasive essay topic, or even just some fun icebreakers, Twee can whip them up in seconds. You can specify age groups, learning objectives, and keywords to get tailored suggestions. Imagine instantly generating a dozen different story starters for your English class, or unique debate topics for social studies, or even creative problem-solving scenarios for a science lesson. The possibilities are literally endless, and it helps you differentiate instruction by offering varied prompts for different learning levels. This isn't just about saving you time, though it does that incredibly well. It's about unlocking your students' creative potential and making writing fun again. When students are given prompts that truly intrigue them, their engagement skyrockets and the quality of their writing improves dramatically. Twee can also help generate ideas for classroom discussions, role-playing activities, and even vocabulary exercises. It's an amazing assistant for fostering critical thinking, communication skills, and a love for language. If you want to see your students light up with ideas and produce their best creative work yet, Twee is the AI writing companion you absolutely need in your teaching arsenal. Last, but definitely not least, we have Notebook LM by Google. And this tool is set to revolutionize how you and your students organize notes, research, and collaborate on projects. Think of it as an AI-powered research assistant and a super smart notebook, all rolled into one. Teachers, you know how much information you juggle. Lesson notes, student data, research articles, curriculum documents. And students? They're drowning in notes from different subjects. Notebook LM is designed to make sense of all that information, making it easily accessible, searchable, and most importantly, usable in powerful new ways. It's like having a personal librarian and study buddy. Notebook LM allows you to upload your existing documents, PDFs, Google Docs, text files, web articles, and then it uses AI to understand and synthesize that content. You can ask it questions about your uploaded materials, and it will provide summaries, identify key concepts, and even help you draft new content based on your sources. For teachers, this is incredible for quickly reviewing research papers, summarizing long policy documents, or even generating quiz questions based on your own lecture notes. For students, it's a game changer for studying, helping them understand complex texts and make connections between different sources. It's like having a conversation with your documents. But the collaboration aspect is where Notebook LM truly shines for the classroom. Teachers can create shared notebooks with students, curating resources and guiding their research. Students can collaborate on projects in real time with the AI helping them synthesize information and stay organized. Imagine a group project where all the research is in one place, easily searchable, and the AI can help them draft their report or presentation. It fosters deeper learning, critical thinking, and makes group work so much more efficient and productive. Notebook LM is not just about note-taking, it's about building a knowledge base and working smarter together. This is the future of collaborative learning, people. Whoa, so there you have it. 5 absolutely mind-blowing AI tools that are set to completely transform your teaching experience in 2025 and beyond. From lightning-fast lesson planning with Teachy.ai to super fun assessments with Quizzes.ai, better brainstorming with Napkin.ai, endless creativity with Twee, and collaborative genius with Notebook LM. These tools are seriously next level. I genuinely believe that embracing these technologies can make your incredibly important job easier, more efficient, and way more enjoyable. You deserve tools that work as hard as you do. So, what are you waiting for? I challenge you to pick at least one of these tools, just one, and try it out in your classroom. See the difference it makes. Experiment, play around with it, and discover how it can best serve you and your amazing students. The future of education is evolving, and AI is a massive part of that. By integrating these tools, you're not just keeping up. You're leading the way and giving your students an even better learning experience, which is what it's all about, right? You guys are awesome. And hey, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite teaching tools, AI or otherwise? Are there any hidden gems out there that we all need to know about? Drop a comment down below and share your wisdom with the community. Let's help each other make teaching the best it can possibly be. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech for you. Until next time, keep being incredible.